Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to resolve the account suspended notifications due to billing sync errors on Hulu. So let's get straight into the video. If a charge fails, Hulu place the account on hold. What you want to do is simply go ahead and log in on a mobile browser. So go to hulu.com and navigate to your account page and select update payment next to your payment method and re-enter or update your credit card or PayPal information. Once updated, Hulu will attempt to charge the card again, bringing the account back into good standing. If that is not the case, what you can do is log out of Hulu on all devices, then log back in to force a fresh sync of account data. Again, if that also doesn't solve it, then try to just uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.